Hi guys, today I'll be cooking fish. I'll just be stir frying, and these are the ingredients. We have 2 pieces of fish, 10 tomatoes that I have washed, and some pieces of garlic. This is Royco, you can see, and this is 4 onions, 4 pieces of onions, and a chopping board and a knife. And there is warm water that I am warming so that I can put as a sauce. After letting the tomatoes cook, add some curry powder and let it cook till it is fine. Then add salt for taste. After adding salt and letting it to cook, you mix it and let it cook with its juice with tomato sauce juice. Then you add some water, warm water, which you let it cook for about 3 to 10 minutes. Yes, 3 to 10 minutes. After you simmer with little, you regulate heat. So you simmer and you let it cook for 3 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, add the fish on the water that it has boiled, and you stir it very well without letting the fish be cut into pieces. So just stir it to about 1 to 2 seconds, and then you let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And that's how you cook fish curry, and the accompaniments are ugali and fried cabbage. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And I'm also teaching how to cook for only 200 shillings. If you want to start cooking, I'm just offering cooking skills for only 200 shillings.